Joint Vision 2020 was a document released on May 30, 2000, by the United States Department of Defense proclaiming the need for full-spectrum dominance on the battlefield. The Joint Vision 2020 concepts have subsequently formed the basis of United States military doctrine. The document envisages the military threats that might confront the United States in the year 2020 and possible responses to these threats. See also: network-centric warfare. External links. Joint Vision 2020 online version, archived on November 30, 2001. Joint Vision 2020 emphasizes full-spectrum dominance. Defense Link article, June 2000.